Hey y'all, this is Glenda George, realtor here on South Padre Island. I just wanted to share with you guys that yesterday here on the island, SpaceX launched its Starship's 5th flight test. And not only did we get to witness live and in person the rocket launching, but we also got to witness the return of the heavy booster. It was really cool, and I wanted to share some video. So enjoy.
Money keep flipping and them sticking to me like glue. Before the carjack, I couldn't hit that. I pulled the Akon, she let me smack that. Yeah, I was down bad, but then I bounced back. I took a wrong turn, ended up on the right track. No matter how rough that road, far you go, take it easy and live life slow. Through all the highs and lows, stay 10 toes down like you're digging for gold.
That's gonna be the boom.
Yeah. Look at, you can see it. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Oh. He might be able to do this. I don't really like the guy, but this is kind of impressive.